It's probably the most state-of-the-art energy management information system. It provides complete empowerment in terms of visualizing data, analyzing data, and managing data. You cannot manage what you do not monitor, and it gives us a complete capability to do so. My name is Aref Abouzahr. I'm the CEO and founder of Ark Energy. Ark Energy in itself is an energy efficiency, energy transition, digitalization of energy management consultancy. We specialize in advising clients to navigate their energy transition to decarbonized, digitalized, and efficient energy systems. We were looking into trying to automate our measurement and verification. The very first thing that we did is take out MNV from energy efficiency and set it up as its own program. We look at raw data using Excel, and then we use Excel to visualize this data. And to be honest, it was extremely time consuming. And all of that data used to come to us from the ESCOs whom we're supposed to supervise. We could never assess the data authenticity. And we could only play with the data to a certain extent because we lacked the time. And that's where we approached, at that point, SmartAnalytics. It helped us collect all of this raw data directly from the source and then look at their data completely unbiased and then challenge that data authenticity. The second part is being able to use all of this data that's coming to us from the MIS to ensure that the savings are attained and where they're missing the bar, so doing the MNV. The third part is to try to help our clients using that data to discover, identify energy savings, specifically the ones that are outside the retrofit scope of work. We were working with one of our clients who has just completed an energy retrofit project, and that client is looking to keep or maintain his savings at stake. SmartAnalytics was actually quite instrumental in doing that, because we're doing the MNV, plus we're actually monitoring every single equipment under that scope of building retrofit. And using SmartAnalytics, we were able to project those savings. Came back to them and we said, this is the list, and that's what each one of them will be able to save. Using the simulation that's available on the SmartAnalytics, our savings were close to 3% on their total bill. I think every company in this space, consultants or ESCOs or solar developers or asset managers, the minute they have it, they can start making sense of data. And from there, they can understand that they can become better and they can save much more. It brings more energy efficiency, more decarbonization. That's really what we stand for.